No, a big giant came.
After a revolting breakfast in Hammond's Citadel, Jeremy pulled out all the stops to get his Citroën righted.
So we've had cold beans.
Yep.
I'm
But
sorry
I brought
I didn't
them
eat
with
your
me.
raw
At least-
bacon.
At least I remembered them.
That is my Japanese garden. Look at it, just leaking out.
Still, it's the right way up. Oh, hello.
Get some more. Oh, my God.
Thank you. Since you are in Cornwall, you must try surfing.
I don't want to do surfing. What if we just don't? What if we just don't want to do it? What if we just say no, we're not going to? Apparently we are going to.
There's more. You must drive to a nearby beach and get changed into wetsuits inside your motorbike.
Sorry, I'm suddenly feeling cheered up. Have you ever tried to put wetsuits or suits? Have you ever tried to put them on? You see this field now, you need an area this big, which you have, but it's here, so you've got to parcel all that up to drive to the... And you...
I know.
But Clarkson was laughing too soon because I had planned for such an eventuality.
Simply retract the roof. Easy. There's like a spaceship, you see. You end up with this escape pod that can just break free.
Meanwhile, James and I had arrived at the beach. Look at this, Surf Town, UK! And they're going to look at my hat and they're going to say, yes, yes, that man knows what he's doing. And with no sign of Hammond, we decided to have a surfing lesson.
Oh, hang on. So it's a...
Yeah, you've got it. Yeah.
Is that roughly right?
It wasn't, though, was it?
Not really, no.